Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. So I am so excited for today's video. I have been so hyped about this all week. Like you guys will see in the weekly vlog on Sunday that this was literally my whole week just because I was so excited about it. You guys know Kelly here on YouTube. She's one of my very best friends. So as you guys probably know, it's been very, very trendy lately on YouTube to recreate your best friend's Instagram for the week. So we decided to take the challenge on and recreate each other's Instagrams. I had so much fun copying these looks. And don't forget to head over to Kelly's channel. You'll see where she recreated my Instagram for the week. Go follow her. I know you're going to love her as much as I do. I'll leave her video linked down below. So I guess there's nothing really else to say. I copied my best friend's Instagram for a week. If you want to see how that went, let's watch. Okay, so I think now it's time to recreate one of Kelly's iconic red lip selfies. We all know Kelly loves her red lipstick. So I threw on mine, also the Fenty Beauty that she loves as well. So in the picture that I chose here, Kelly's got like some, you know, beautiful tendrils coming down. She's got like that messy curly updo. So I tried to recreate just like a curly messy updo. And she has on winged eyeliner and a red lip. So I think we nailed the makeup and hair portion. So she has on, it looks like some sort of hoop and like a gray sweater. So let's see here. I don't have silver hoops, but I do have gold hoops. So we're gonna put a little spin on it and let's go see if I can find like a gray sweater in my closet. Okay, off to the closet. Like, I mean, come on, Alex, you must have a gray sweater. I mean, unfortunately, I just did like a huge closet clean out. So I don't know if I have a gray sweater. Okay, so this was kind of like the closest thing I could find, but it's kind of got that like loose look that hers did. So I'm gonna try to get my selfie. All right, it's just like a plain white wall. So I'm gonna shoot it in front of this white area. I'm gonna put my ring light on to get my best lighting. All right, and she's doing like a little hand pose, which I always love, like a little like, ooh. Oh, I wish I like this side of my head better, but that's not the side that we're gonna see. I'm trying to get that hand right. I think we got it. Okay, my mom's gonna help me shoot the next one. So Kelly, I don't have palm trees, but I have the same jacket as this picture of Kelly, the Feminist AF one. So I'm gonna try to shoot it like upward. Let's look at the picture again and make sure we have the whole vibe appropriate. And she has two rock signs.
You're gonna have to crop it.
That's fine.
Let me get the lighting right. Okay, here, punching. Perfect. Is your camera rolling?
Yeah.
Hi! I'm gonna be like one of those people outside of Good Morning America.
Okay guys, it is a new day. I am trying now to recreate another Kelly photo. So I love this picture of her so much. It's so cool. It's just so pretty. Like she has a little towel on her head, she's in her bra, she's putting on blush, so she has hoops on, red lipstick, really soft eyes, so I just like barely put anything on my eyes. So I'm just gonna try to recreate it. So I'm gonna put my gold hoops in. I don't even know if I have a black bra. I know that sounds crazy. I know. I don't think I ever buy black bras. I know that's weird. But I love even her little blush palette. So I'm just gonna try to grab everything I need. So I'm gonna set up my tripod because I don't have anyone here to help me, but Kelly's picture has like the little lights on it. So I'm gonna set it up here on my tripod and do like a self timer. So I'll be right back. Okay. I just got the shot. I had it on filming so you could just see how I set this up. So I literally just put the timer on and took it like that. This is how it came out. Okay guys, so my cousin and I are here in Target now, and we're going to be shooting this look from Kelly. So we're doing it like Easter style because this was from Valentine's Day. So we have a giant Easter bunny, and we're just gonna try to make it look the same. So I didn't have a black feminist hat, but my hat says feminist and it's pink, and her coat was pink and her hat was black, so I just kind of did it reverse. So it works, I swear. Is it working?
Yeah, just like
does it look like hers?
I feel similar.
Similar enough?
Yeah, like I don't know like how similar you went.
Oh, they totally look similar. All right guys, we got the shot. Not too bad. We did the best we could for like matching the background and stuff, but this guy is so cute. All right guys, I'm here with Gabby. We're gonna shoot the last look. It's cold, I have my outfit on.
I'm actually wearing a jacket, says a lot.
Yeah, and she doesn't like jackets. We found the one green wall that we could find. Oh, this part looks like her picture. This is like a really good, similar background. All right, I'm gonna just put this on the ground. I look crazy from this angle. Okay, what is she doing with her hands? Pockets?
Here, no, here. Not in the pocket.
Not in the pocket.
Here, in the pocket.
This way? That?
Like, I want it to be like more like, but like, more like,
More out?
yeah. Bring this one down.
Perfect, let's go. We did it! It's cold. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had so much fun doing it. Yeah, it was a big part of my week. If you want to see even more, make sure you're subscribed. On the vlog on Sunday, you will see all types of my week. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what videos you want to see coming up next for the spring season ahead. And I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!